This question has quite a lot of free info about Jim. He sells cars for a living, right? So he gets a base salary each month. We don't know what that is. He also gets a 10% commission off of the total value of the cars that he sold that month. Now, they kind of snuck in there one more little piece of information into that free info, and that is that he sold 15 cars last month. That's going to prove really important in this question. We're going to see why right after this. So statement 1 on its own gives us the base salary, which is great, but on its own that's not going to be enough to answer the question because I still don't know what was the total value of the cars that Jim sold last month. Eliminate A and D. Statement 2 gives us the total value of 3 cars and 5 cars sold, but we don't know what the base salary was, so that's not going to be sufficient on its own either. Eliminate B. Now here's where a lot of people make a mistake. They think that if we combine the statements, we should be able to answer the question because we have the base salary from statement 1, we have the total value of the 3 cars and 5 cars sold in statement 2, so 10% of that would be the commission, and we're done. We have enough to answer the question. The problem is, remember, in the free info we were told that Jim sold 15 cars last month, and statement 2 is only giving us the total value of 8 of them. So there's still 7 more cars that he sold we don't know anything about, and therefore the answer is E. If you like this approach, be sure to check out my book. It's all in there. What do you want me to talk about in my next video? Type it down in the comments below and maybe I'll make a video just for you. Make sure you're subscribed and click that little bell icon below so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.